So I just came across this new update for Stable Video Infinity, SVI2 Pro, and it's blowing my mind. They claim it can generate infinite-length videos.
Wait, infinite length videos. Really? How does that even work? I mean, doesn't that just stretch the quality?
Exactly, but they say it handles it with high temporal consistency and plausible scene transitions. It sounds like some sci-fi stuff.
That's fascinating. I wonder how they manage to maintain quality over such long durations. The tech behind that must be complex.
Right? They mentioned something called error recycling fine-tuning. It's like it learns from its mistakes while generating.
Error recycling. So it's actively identifying and correcting its own errors. That's pretty innovative, but I'm curious about the limitations.
Good point. I mean, theoretically, it sounds great, but in practice, could it not just end up creating a jumbled mess?
Exactly. And it makes me think about the balance between creativity and coherence. Are there checks to ensure that?
They do say it's designed for versatile tasks like multi-scene films and even animations, which seems promising.
That's interesting, but I bet it's heavily reliant on the prompts given. A poorly defined prompt could lead to chaos.
Totally, and they recommend using different seeds for different clips, which makes sense for variety.
Yeah, variety is key. But what about the training process? I wonder how much data they actually need to get this right.
It's surprisingly minimal. Just a few LoRa adapters are tuned, meaning it requires very little training data.
That's both a blessing and a curse. Less data could limit the nuances in the generated content, don't you think?
Definitely, plus, if everyone has access to it, quality could vary widely based on the user's understanding.
Speaking of quality, I heard this SVI is now available on the Poe platform. That's a big step for accessibility.
Yeah, but it's a double-edged sword. More users could create more content, but not all of it will be high quality.
True, and then there's the risk of misinformation or low-value content flooding the platform.
Exactly, but the community is already producing cool workflows and videos. That's a positive side.
For sure, it's like a collaborative lab of creativity. But still, how do they ensure the outputs don't degrade over time?
That's the key. They operate with clip-by-clip causality, which might help maintain some continuity.
Clip by clip. So it's not just one long video, but rather a collection of shorter clips stitched together.
Right, and it mimics a director's workflow, allowing for quality checks before transitioning scenes.
That's smart. It sounds like it combines the best of both worlds, creative flexibility with structure.
Exactly, but I still wonder if it can truly replace traditional video production methods.
That's a big question. I think it could complement, but I'm skeptical about it being a full replacement.
Yeah, and the artistic touch that a human director brings is hard to replicate by AI.
Absolutely. But it's exciting to see how far we've come in video generation technology.
And this SVI2 Pro update shows that the future might just be more collaborative between humans and AI.
I agree. I'm curious to see what amazing content the community will produce next.
Totally, it's like opening up a new frontier of creativity, but I wonder about the ethical implications.
Good point. With great power comes great responsibility. We need to ensure the technology is used responsibly.
For sure, this is a pivotal moment in how we think about video content creation.
I can't wait to explore more about this. It feels like we're on the brink of something revolutionary.
Agreed, and it leaves us with so many questions about the future of storytelling.
Definitely. How will these new tools redefine the narratives we create?
Exactly, I think we're in for a wild ride in the realm of digital storytelling.
And it's only the beginning. Imagine the possibilities with ongoing advancements.
Right, the next few years are going to be fascinating to watch unfold.
Can't wait. Let's keep an eye on this and see how it develops.
Absolutely, this is just the beginning of a whole new chapter in creative tech.
And I'm all in for this journey. Who knows what we'll discover next?
Exactly, let's keep the conversation going, and who knows what insights we'll uncover.
For sure, it's an exciting time for creators everywhere.